Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off the hourly beep signal on a Casio TUF Solar with module number 5208. First step is to put the watch in the alarm mode by pressing the mode button few times until you see ALM on the screen. Then press the search button few times until you see SIG or signal on the screen. Press the adjust button, the top left button, to put the hourly beep signal on or off. To return to the timekeeping mode, press the mode button 3 times. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.